friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making kale and quinoa salad. This is a super healthy salad and it's very easy to make. What we need is chopped kale, a cup of quinoa, raisins, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. So very simple ingredients and everything is so healthy. So this package of kale is 12 ounces and it's already triple washed, so I don't need to wash it. Now you can use whole kale, but if you do, just make sure you wash it and then chop it. So I need to open this package, so super convenient, it's already prepared. And I'm going to put it in a bowl. And next I'm going to mix up the dressing. So I'm going to use 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. And 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And I'm going to whisk it with a fork. And now I'm going to pour it over kale. So now I see there's a lot of kale, it barely fits in a bowl. But what I'm going to do next is I'm going to massage kale. That makes it softer and also it will strengthen volume as well as I do that. So it will be plenty of room in a bowl. So just take it and massage it. Now that can take about 5 minutes, but basically keep doing it until kale is much softer. It's going to taste so much better. So keep doing it for 5 minutes. So after massaging it for 5 minutes, see now the quantity is much more manageable. It just shrinks and it becomes tender. And a good thing about kale is you can make the salad ahead. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, because regular lettuce greens usually they wilt when you put the dressing on them, but with kale it just actually gets better and better as it gets soft. So here's kale massaged with dressing, and I'm going to add 1 cup of cooked quinoa. And I'm going to add raisins to taste. So if you like to measure it, say 1/4 of a cup to 1/2 a cup, just depending on how much you like raisins. They're so sweet and delicious. They really make the salad even tastier. And now just mix everything. So it's super simple. Kale with balsamic dressing and quinoa and raisins. It's a great combination. Perfect. So here's a healthy kale and quinoa salad. And as I said, you can make it ahead and keep well in the fridge. You can divide it in meal prep containers and have healthy lunches ready. You can also add some proteins such as chopped rotisserie chicken or plant-based proteins such as chickpeas to make a more complete lunch. There's lots of possibilities and it's so easy to make, healthy and delicious. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love healthy salads like that. So let's try. Mm. It's so good, so crunchy and refreshing. It tastes so delicious. You will love it. And the salad is actually pretty filling too. Quinoa makes it more filling. This is awesome for healthy lunches. If you like easy, healthy recipes like this, please check out my free cooking club. Go to your web browser and go to everydaycookingclub.com. Again, it's everydaycookingclub.com. And please check out my website, melaniecooks.com, for a free printable recipe of the salad or any other recipe on this channel. Just go to the search box on top of the site and enter your keyword and you will find a recipe that you can print. And please subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!